Should I raise my auto collision deductible to lower my premium? Imagine paying less every month for your car insurance. Sounds good, right? Well, raising your auto collision deductible might be the way to do it. But before you decide, let's look at what that really means. Your deductible is the fixed amount you pay out of pocket when you have a collision. For example, if your deductible is $1,000 and your repair costs are $3,000, you pay $1,000 and your insurer covers the remaining $2,000. When you raise your deductible, your insurance company sees less risk, so they charge you a lower premium. Typically, increasing your deductible from $500 to $1,000 can cut your premium by about 15 to 30%. That could save you around $200 to $300 a year, depending on where you live and your insurer. But remember, if you have an accident, you will need to pay that higher deductible amount first. So, if you raise your deductible to $2,000, you need to be prepared to pay that much out of pocket before your insurance helps. Think about your savings and your ability to pay that amount if needed. If you do not have enough savings, a higher deductible could cause financial stress after an accident. On the other hand, if you rarely drive or have a low chance of collision, a higher deductible can be a smart way to lower your costs. It all depends on your driving habits and your financial situation. Consider how often you might need to file a claim. If you expect to file many claims, a lower deductible might be better. Also, check if your car loan or lease requires a specific deductible amount. Comparing the savings on your premium with what you might pay out of pocket can help you find the right balance. In the end, raising your deductible can save you money on your insurance premiums, but it also means more responsibility if something happens. Choose an amount that fits your budget and your comfort level with risk. That way, you can keep your costs low without putting yourself in a tough spot financially.